Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking in essentials so every decision after this is fast and deliberate. First, decide the poster size and the single primary message you want people to act on. Keep it to 3 clear items. Next, collect verified emergency contacts, route maps, shelter names, and any legal wording. While you gather content, choose working materials, vector icons, CMYK color mode for print, font families for hierarchy, and a printable bleed. Once done, move straight to layout. You now construct the visual flow so viewers scan and act in seconds. Start with a bold headline at the top, then place a clear subhead and prioritized action bullets. Use one large typeface for headings and one for body. Arrange elements in an F or Z pattern for natural reading. Incorporate simplified maps and icons. Vector formats maintain clarity. Pay attention to color contrast and spacing. Sufficient white space reduces noise. Before exporting, test legibility at typical viewing distance and on phone screens. You finish by validating and producing final files so distribution is immediate and reliable. Proofread every contact and map label, then view a printed test at 1 meter to confirm type size and color. Export one CMYK PDF for print and a 72 dpi PNG for web, plus an editable source file. If something goes wrong, blurry icons, or muddy colors, replace raster artwork with vectors, re-export in CMYK, and increase contrast or resolution before reprinting. Finally, post widely and collect feedback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.